Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be showing you how to replace the headlights and signal lights on your GMT800 truck. This includes both the Chevrolet Silverado and the GMC Sierra made between the years of 1999 to 2006. Here the old headlights and signal lights are badly faded, so they'll be getting new replacements sent from FlashSharkRacing.com. A link to these lights will be included in the video description. It's an affiliated link, so with every sale from using that link, I'll get a percentage to keep my channel going. As you can see, here are the new lights. This is a great and inexpensive way to upgrade your headlights. Plastic lenses will eventually deteriorate. The same can happen with the reflector, which will greatly reduce your lighting performance. This not only improves the look of your vehicle, but also improves your safety on the road along with others around you. First is opening the hood. Minimal tools are needed for this replacement. There will be two steel rods that hold each headlight in place. They fit into plastic retaining clips. Rotate each outwards towards the front of the vehicle. Then lift out each metal rod fully. Pull out the light, then either twist and remove each of the bulbs or unclip the electrical connectors from the bulbs. If removing the bulbs, be careful not to touch the lens as they can shorten the lifespan of the halogen bulb. Here's a view from behind that headlight. This is where the metal rods are clipped into. As for the signal light, there is a tab on the fender side. Push this outward towards the side of the vehicle, then push the light assembly forward on the side. Here's a better look at that clip. Once disconnected, angle out the fender side of the assembly, and then this will disconnect the grille side tab. Then remove each of the bulbs. They simply twist into place like the headlight bulbs. Each rotates counterclockwise to disengage, then pull straight out. Here's the new headlights. Make sure you have the correct side. These are a direct plug-and-play part. No modifications are required. I left the plastic protectant in place on the lenses during the installation. This will be removed after. Here's the new signal lights. Again, make sure you have the correct side. They are very similar. Install the bulbs with connectors. Push them in the hole and then twist counterclockwise to tighten. Insert the light, clip it onto the grille side first, and then push the light in on the fender side to lock it into place on the clip. As for the headlight, reinstall those headlight bulbs. Push them into their holes, align the tabs, and then lock them into place by rotating clockwise. Put the light into place. I find it's easiest to start with the grille side first. Make sure the plastic frame on the back is fully seated. Then install those metal retaining rods. You may need to twist them back and forth to help the alignment. Then lock them in place. Finally, the protective film can be removed. Moving on to the opposite side, rotate those metal rods out and then lift out each of them. Which one is removed first doesn't matter. Pull out the headlight. Removing it from the fender side first is by far the easiest I find. Unplug or remove those bulbs. To disconnect the electrical connector, there is a tang that can be lifted up. A standard screwdriver can be used for this, or you can twist the bulbs counterclockwise, then pull straight out. For the signal light, press that tang on the fender side, then pull the light out on this side first. Pivot it out, then this will disconnect the tang on the grille side. Remove those three bulbs, twist counterclockwise and remove. Install the new light, lock those bulbs into place first. Now is a good time to replace a bulb if needed. Lock in the tab on the grille side, then clip the light in at the fender side. Install the high and low beam bulbs to the headlight. Again, push them in place, then twist clockwise until they stop to lock them in. Push the light assembly in place. Make sure that black plastic backer is fully seated. Finally, install those metal rods to lock it into place. Once done, here you can see the improved clarity of the light output. The headlights will need to be aimed. There is adjusters, just like the factory lights, to adjust each side to side and up and down positions. New videos released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, Be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.